The Samruk. According to legend, the Samruk was a magic bird. She lived in Kazakhstan long ago. Every year she travelled to Bayterek, or the Tree of Life, out on the steppe. The Samruk had a nest high in the branches of the tree. In the spring, a golden egg appeared in the nest. Some people say the egg contained the happiness and wishes of all the people in the world. All summer, the bird stayed in the tree, but the egg didn't hatch. Then in winter, the Samruk disappeared, leaving her egg in the nest. A huge dragon, Adahar, lived in the underworld beneath the tree. He watched the Samruk leave, and then he climbed up the trunk of the tree to the Samruk's nest. He swallowed the golden egg and crawled back down to the underworld. The next spring, the Samruk returned to the Tree of Life again, and another golden egg appeared. The same thing happened year after year. This story tells us that just as day follows night and spring follows winter, good times follow difficult times in our lives.